Hi, friends, welcome back. So, I had this vision of a whole house reset today. Well, let's just say my energy decided to reject my coffee attempt and went straight back to bed. I woke up feeling very delicate, and the pace I'm moving is definitely reflecting that. I wanted to power through, but sometimes life forces you to slow down. And today I listened. So instead of tackling everything, I focused on the spaces that mattered the most. So the bathroom, which is always my non negotiable, my bedroom, and the living room. I did also tidy the kitchen on this day, but I put the camera away because one of the boys was sent home from school poorly and just needed some mummy time. I made sure I took my time, allowing myself to pause whenever I needed to. And guys, there was so much coughing footage edited out of this video. It was definitely a day filled with slow movements and many adjustments. And you know what? That's okay. We have days where our plans have to change. It's really important to look after ourselves when we are feeling fragile. Cleaning on these days can be done, but it needs to be a gentle chore. So, if you're feeling under the weather or life has simply asked you to take a gentler pace, please remember to be kind with yourself. Allow yourself to adjust your expectations. Focus on the things that bring you comfort. And guys, rest. Rest your body when it needs to. If you need to snuggle up and binge watch TV all day, you do that. Okay, so I'm slightly jealous. I guess one of my toxic traits is I can't switch my brain into chill mode. The idea of hiding under my duvet watching Netflix all day sounds amazing, but my brain needs to keep busy with physical tasks. Yay for me.
Yeah. Boy, you were bad for me. But I don't care enough to make you my enemy. Boy, you did good leaving me then and there. 'Cause I'm better without what you call love, I swear. When you take a look at me, you only see what you wanna see. Somebody who can move on. Don't tell me you're sorry. I don't want your pity. Baby, you got it all wrong. You think I'm missing you every night. Every night. You think I'm sad and alone. Oh, so alone. But don't take credit for these red eyes. 'Cause baby, all I've cried out tears of joy. Boy, you must think I'm hurt. Thought I was under your spell, but looking back, I was cursed. You left me to drown and sail away on your ship. But I don't give a damn, it's water under the bridge. When you take a look at me, you only see what you wanna see. Somebody who can move on. Don't tell me you're sorry. I don't want your pity. Baby, you got it all wrong. You think I'm missing you
So, a few videos ago, when I asked you guys what your favorite products are that you use, um, one of the suggestions was the Pink Stuff range. Now, I absolutely love my Pink Stuff paste that I use in my kitchen on my kitchen sink to make it shine. I've never really been interested in the rest of the range. I think it's because I like the smell, but it's very, very strong, which is ironic considering I love to use bleach. I guess I've just burnt my nostrils over the years using bleach that I am immune to it now. I have to say, so on the bath I use the Power Foam, and in the toilet I use the disinfectant. I have to say I'm actually quite enjoying it. I'm not fully I haven't used it long enough to have a real strong opinion, but at the moment I'm enjoying it. It's getting the job done. I will say, unless there's a technique that I'm not following, I will say that on my taps, it's not really helping them shine. But you know me, I like to test things. I do like the gel stuff that you put in the toilet. My goodness me, guys, can you tell I'm not well? I like the toilet cleaner that you put in the toilet and leave, um, because it's pink. But I promise you, I am trying the range out, and I will let you know my honest opinions, um, when I've been using it for a little bit longer. So we've moved in to my bedroom now. This this bedroom is a product of the classic trying my whole wardrobe on and throwing it on the floor before I settle on what I'm actually going to wear. I needed comfort. I really wanted to wear my sweatpants and a jumper, but they were in the wash, so I was devastated. So I settled on I don't even, guys, listen, this isn't my usual fashion, but I just needed to be able to breathe with movement. So out came my crusty old dungaree pregnancy, really unflattering. Yeah, really unflattering, but hey, who cares, right? But because of my let's just treat my floor like a floor I now need to go back through and fold everything and put it back away.
It's funny how it all played out. Broken dreams seldom get realized. For me, you were a part of life that escaped and left me outside. Who could see the will of time and that you were still a friend of mine? Our story wasn't over yet.
So now we've moved into the last room that I am going to get to tackle today. This coffee table desperately needed some beeswax polish on it. You can see that it's got no shine left to it. Now, quick backstory. For my son's homework on this week, well, it was more than a week. I think he had like 3 weeks. Was for World Book Day to produce a shoebox, and inside the shoebox make a scene from a children's book. And he decided to go with Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and I will show you in a second. Oh, look, now I'll show you now. Um, how awesome is that? Now, it was a labor of love. Now, thankfully, it was open for the whole family to help out on, and that is exactly what happened. um, oh gosh, it took weeks. So the outside of the box obviously is the chocolate with the golden ticket, and then inside the box is a scene from inside Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and all those figurines were made out of clay and hand painted by us. He did so well. I was so proud of how it came together. Um, Hopefully he wins the competition. So fingers crossed. I think he deserves to, the amount of time and effort he put into it. But with all the clay and the gluing and whatnot, it took the varnish off my coffee table. But I am happy to report that the beeswax did bring the shine right back up. So I am working my way around the living room, just giving everything a quick surface wipe. I really didn't need to do this, but I had the polish out anyway, so why not? And then I will finish in this room with a slow speed hoover, which I finished in time just before the other two children arrived home from school, and then mummy duties start. So I guess this is the perfect time in the video to say goodbye. Today was definitely a reminder that even when our day doesn't go to plan, rather than feel the pressure to keep up and maintain that perfect image, sometimes you just need a break, and that's okay. We are all human, and taking care of ourselves comes first. I really hope that if you're feeling under the weather or just plain tired and burnt out, that you give yourself permission to relax and take it easy. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It means the absolute world that you're here. I always love hanging out with you guys, and I hope that we can keep sharing the real and honest moments. I am sending you the biggest and warmest hugs. Please, please, please leave a comment below and tell me how you handle those days when you're just not feeling your best. I love hearing your opinions, your tips and tricks. Of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've enjoyed spending some time with me. Let's keep growing our little community, guys. As always, have a wonderful weekend. I am off to drink a bottle of cough medicine. Much love.